Alright, welcome back. Previous video, part 1, got us into this alley, and now we're going to continue to the next dead end. There's parking enforcement behind us. They yielded though. So I don't know if that came out in the video, but it just triggered that kind of buzzing noise again. So maybe, if it is sensor cleaning, for some reason this car thinks that the sensor is pretty dirty. Okay, we're still creeping. I think we're gonna go for it now. Okay, and there's that hissing sound again. So last couple of days these Waymos have been full of random noises. I haven't been around long enough to know if they're new, but they're certainly new to me. See if I can take a slightly different route back.
Trip updated.
Looks like we're gonna yield, yeah. Well, no one's, okay, now we're going. So like no one's crossing, why are we still here? Alright, that's a pretty good handling of a narrow situation. Oh, no, we should go. Come on, we have right away. Okay, that was probably over yielding. Especially after the black SUV stopped. At that point, I feel like we definitely could have gone. Pretty tight turn. That was good. Now we'll see if anyone lets us into the left lane. And actually this stopping position is like, okay, I guess you can't pan when it's in lane change mode, but the stopping position is like quite a bit over the line. So I think if someone wanted to do the right turn lane, I don't think they would be able to get in. Or maybe they would be cutting it very close to the curb if they could. for it? Yeah, there we go. I think that car was driving behind us for some time. I think they were trying to let us in, but Waymo probably doesn't want to go make that lane change unless there's more room. As a human, I probably would have decided, oh, that's enough, and just go for it. Pretty decent series of lane changes. It's like a super funny route. We want out of this lane, huh? That's a trajectory. So we just came out of this lane, and now we want to go back to the left lane, and then also that's like a interesting trajectory we took to get here. Super funny. So maybe I wasn't paying attention, but maybe we skipped like one car forward. Like just kind of funny.
Almost there. Don't forget your belongings.
Yeah, this is a tough ride on red. Probably the right thing to do to wait until all the cars have stopped. Like, I don't think there's any way anyone can shoot that gap with all the cars coming off the highway. So I picked this kind of spicy unprotected left, see if Waymo will do it. I think, well, it looks like we might get lucky. Usually at this time there's like a steady, oh, that nudge to the right was bad. There's like a steady stream of oncoming cars usually at this time. But maybe with the light timing, the Waymo might just get lucky. Oh, we're gonna go for it. Okay. All right. Coming in hot to the parking lot.
You're here. Please make sure it's clear before exiting.